Now we'll see the what is meant by length. How do we measure the length? Length is a type of measurement. It tells us how long or wide something is. Length is a type of measurement. It tells us how long or wide something is. We can also talk about length of time, but that is a different kind of measurement. When you grown up, when you go to class 3, at that time you will learn at the same time length of time. Okay, about length of time. In class 2 you will be learning the only how to measure the length of a object. So let us see how to measure the length with the help of which unit. So let us move to the next. Length. Now you can see over here, distance from end to end describes how long a shape is. Suppose this is an example of an guitar. This is a guitar. So you can see an arrow over there. Arrow from guitar's end to end distance. What we are measuring? Distance from end to end. Okay, how long it is. So we can understand with the help of it's a distance, length or long. So in the second image you will see a shape that is a cuboid. You can see over here cuboid. So here in this cuboid the longer side is measured, that is a length. We call that is a length. So what is the spelling of length? Length. Length. And second one is width. Second one is width. What is the spelling of width? Width. So that is a width. And this is what? Height. This is a height. 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 So this length is measured with the help of a scale or a ruler. So this unit we can use scale. Scale is a unit to measure the length. Okay, so that's it about this slide. We will see some more slides. Now here are some exercise to solve you all. Okay, now you can see in the first image some rectangles are given. On that rectangles letters are written and it is covered with the blocks. You can see over here blocks are given. Okay, so we are going to count those blocks and we will write them in the fill in the blanks and we will solve the questions. Okay, so number one, rectangle A is dash units long. We have to see here distance of rectangle A. So rectangle A is in a yellow color. Rectangle A is in a yellow color. Now we'll see how many blocks are there. How many blocks are covered with a rectangle A. So we'll count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So what will be the our answer? 8 units long. How many units long? It's a 8 units long. Okay. Now we'll move to the question 2. 2 is rectangle D is dash units long. Now you can see below this only, below A, it is in a blue color, light blue color, sky blue. So how many units are covered with a rectangle D? So you can see two blocks are there. How many blocks are there? 1 and 2. So we can write 2 answer over there. Okay, in this way we have to solve. Now number 3, rectangle B is longer than rectangle. So we have to compare here rectangle B. So rectangle B is in green color, light green. So we have to count those blocks. How many blocks are covered by rectangle B? So you can count over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what question is asked? Rectangle B is longer than rectangle E. So answer is E. What answer will come over here? E, because rectangle E is having only how many blocks? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we are comparing with E, B and E. So E is longer than, rectangle B is longer than rectangle E. So we can write answer here E. Now next we will move to the next question. Fourth one. Rectangle C is shorter than a rectangle. Rectangle C. Now we have to see the rectangle C. It is in orange color. Now we can count blocks over there. 1, 2 and 3. 3 blocks are there. Rectangle C is shorter than rectangle. Which rectangle? So what answer will come here? What answer will come? Rectangle C is shorter than rectangle F. So here also will come answer F. Okay. Now next fifth one. Rectangle E is 1 unit longer than rectangle. Longer F. So now here is a rectangle E. Rectangle E is over here. So which one is a longer? So here is a F. Answer will come F. Okay. So F is having one more block comparing to E. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And E is having 4 blocks over there. Okay. Now sixth one. Rectangle dash is shortest. सबसे छोटा. So which one is the shortest one? So D1. Rectangle D. Because only two blocks are covered by rectangle D. So we can write answer D over here. Now seventh one. Rectangle dash is longest. सबसे बड़ा. Longest one. So you can see here A1. Biggest one is A. It is in yellow color. So we can write A over here. That's it.